Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch with your host, Sleepy Bull. Excuse the voice today as I am currently sick, so please bear with me as I make this video. I was recently in a little hiatus because, rightfully so, the market was, in my opinion, irrationally exuberant, and so a little break from posting can definitely do wonders. And, it definitely helps retreat from the charts and from the analysis for a while. But I come on here to give a very major update on the Ethereum price chart, and especially the Ethereum Elliott wave count. As you can see here, we currently have Ethereum on the 3-day. And you know what, before I even begin, I'm going to be going over the Macro Elliott wave count that I believe is currently in play, which is a B wave that is just ending. Excuse me. And also, I'm going to be going over the projection of where we might go. And going forward in this channel, we're going to take more of a hands-off, more so reactionary stance on the market rather than predictive stance. We'll let the charts tell us what the waves are rather than expect the waves, just because I think that's more being deterministic is not exactly the best in the financial markets. You can't force the chart in one direction, so you got to see. You got to see what the chart will tell you. In this case, I knew this was a B wave just because of the grand scale. But what if it wasn't? That's the big case, and that's why we have the alternate case, which we can certainly show. But there's compelling evidence for the bear case. Let's begin. We have here Ethereum on the 3-day. As you can see from inspection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, and we're beginning the leg C down. Now, something to note is that once we go under the green 200 EMA, we generally don't look back and we just fall from there. Right here is one example. Right here is another example. Here's an example of quite the contrary. This was a fake out, and here this was a fake out. It remains to be seen if this one will be a fake out, but you have 2 in a row. I don't think you'll have a third one. The odds are small, but we'll see. Let's go to the count. We have a lot of lines here, so let me make this simpler and remove this for you guys here. This is a B, C down for a wave, A, B, C up for a B wave. And notice how this B wave was in a nice little neat channel, rejected by the center line. Now something very, very interesting. We have officially closed below the channel. That is not a good sign on the daily, 3-day, and on the weekly. So as you can see, this was our projection, our expected move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pardon me. And I'm back. Excuse the interruption there. So going over this one more time, our projection was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it looks like that's not gonna play out. What we think is going to play out, and we're gonna try to not do this as often, but for the time being, let's just go with what we had here. An ABC followed by ABC, just because this overtook this 2 overtook the previous beginning of wave 1. So this is no longer a 1 2, it's a ABC for a W, ABC for an X, and now we're beginning a 5 wave move down, a 1 2 3 of 3 3 4 5 down. So it's a A B or W X Y wave down. And the final target is going to be here. So either oh, that's our expected target right there, the 790. So we could have a truncated C wave or X or Y wave, WXY, or which could lead us at the 786 or 1037, 1083 or 1100 around there. Or it could be even more truncated at the 618 for 1415, which doesn't seem too, too ridiculous at this point. Excuse me. So that's what we're looking at right now. Let's take this off. We could have this A or WX Y start here, end here at 1482. It could be part of a larger A wave, such as this. B wave up. And then we could continue the C wave down to this level. But that remains to be seen. Like I said, we're gonna wait and see what the charts play out. But the most concerning thing is here. This break of channel. This is not good. This is a logarithmic exponential uptrend that has been broken. We could, go back into the channel, but we closed clearly on the weekly. It's closed below. So let's just wait and see if we just close back on here, back into it. We wicked to the 200 week. We could fall below the 200 week again. Usually 200 week is a great place to buy, but let's see. Again, I'm expecting the ETH to go to 756, so let's put some buys there, right? And this is the macro count: 1 2 3 4 5. And we hit the wave 5 target here, right there, right? These two have what's the word? A relationship with the 618. And this is just the ABC. Okay. That's about it, guys. Sleepy Bull out.